I had an opportunity to catch up with Gladys and talk to her about her work before the concert. How big of a part did music play in your holiday traditions as you were coming up?
Oh, it was a big part. I mean, we actually did caroling. If there was a popular song out, my sister Brenda and Bubba and I would get together. We loved to harmonize, and we'd sing it for the family after dinner. You know, so it's always been a big part of my family life.
Your work has taken a kind of a new direction.
It
and
has.
The CD is on a record label that's a company your children run.
Yes.
How special is that?
Oh, it's very unique and very special to me, especially since I lost my son this year. It was his idea for us to do this label, and we sent this project through Many Roads Records, which is the name of the label. And we've been very pleased about it and knew that that was the way Heavenly Father wanted us to go with it, you know. So since his passing, the record has really taken on a wonderful life. He would be very pleased to know that, you know, we were doing something so right and so successful.
Mercy's Arm is a very special song to you.
And it was one of the first songs that Jimmy brought to me. And when he brought this song to me, he was crying. And he said, "Mom, you got to hear this song. This song is for you."